Let's double check the updates for Aptos USDT trading pair with my customer set. On the Binance, we sweep the listing price. So technically we can say the model is invalidated, right? That's why this block still in play like support. And this one can be like a next zone of fixation, some profit. Yes, of course, global targets, I think we can hit way higher targets because everything okay, I guess, with Aptos. Not that big TVL if we compare with other chains, for example. But the apps generate pretty good revenue, right? And the chain not so much revenue, but at least it's better than the Scroll, for example, or the Berry chain, or many others where the chain fee are like $50 or $200. So it's 1K500. And what is still can be bad, it's a difference between the market capitalization and FDV. So 1.46 billion, 2.36. So almost 50%. And I think less than 50%, and we still got like more tokens will be added into circular supply, so it can be the seller pressure. So it will be not a mistake, guys, if you want to accumulate now at $2, at $4, at this block, inside this block of previous accumulation after invalidation of idea, withdraw initial deposit at $4. So this will be not a mistake, guys. So technically we bounce it from, I guess, 50% of the week, maybe even more. So here we use the even more, yes. We count on the weekly time frame. Week, it was a huge week, right? And we stop at a 61 level fee. Done. If we check on the daily time frame, let's hide the take profit. Here, adjust the daily. Also 61 till penny, pretty good one. So I highly recommend you guys all the time, no matter it's a bullish week or the bearish week, in many cases, not all the time and not immediately, we come back and close the 50% of the week. So here, this week close, daily candle close, right? After that here, 23 by FIB, 38, reject at the zone of accumulation, previous one, 0.5, 61. Some tokens move more accurate, some not, and depends of soft, depends of liquidity on a Binance link. I told you, link moves so accurate all the time by algorithm. And here on this example, the bots deliver the price so accurate. So the zones, here, this is accumulation, technically. Can we drop lower? Yes, guys, like usual, we can go into the price discovery mode, even on the 50 cents, 70 cents, that nobody know the future. That's why it's only up to your own risk. If you want to open trade now, for example, maybe makes sense. Here, 16% stop loss with a second leverage, right? Target is here, for example, $4. It's 200. So 16 against 400. More than okay. The main target, a middle term target. It's not like a top of the top. It's a yearly open. It's on 25 yearly open. 340%, 680, around 700 with the second leverage against the 16% stop loss. Technically, I think one day we will sweep the AQO highs, but nobody knows when. But I believe, it's not because I believe in Aptos or so. I'm not a fan of any tokens, but I think we will come back to the yearly open here, maybe reject, drop it down again. After that, break this downtrend line, and maybe the $20 will be the new all-time high. But the people will start talking about $50, $100, and all of this stuff. So technically, from now, it can be like around 1,000% gains. Yes, not that much, maybe for someone, but it's a good profit. I don't think so. We will come back and hit the new all-time high over the $100 at least not this cycle, maybe not even the next one, if the Aptos will survive. So build the realistic targets, guys. By FIB, you can open the first videos and double check how the price respect the level. All zones relevant, and the zone of fixation profit plus the yearly open is going to be the lucky magnet. So this is it. Let's double check, guys, with indicator set here. Now rejection, it's here to understand why exactly here, because it's a range between the 0.5 and 61. So 413, 339, it's a zone of fixation. Profit now will be, because previously it played out like support. After invalidation of area, the zones become the resistance. So it's a fundamental value. So sooner or later we're gonna test $3.38, and it's gonna be the test of fundamental value, block of rejection, and it will be not a mistake to fix some profit. After that, lines are dynamic, and after the few weeks, I guess the take profit line will be exactly at yearly open level. And maybe even the take profit line in, I don't know, February, March, April will be even at $8.41 in zone of fixation profit. After that, we have to take a look what's going on with the markets that time. So close this one, and let's double check now. Let's double check the daily one. Daily one, local swing trades. It's here buy line now. It's 240. Take profit line 476, exit line 540. To talk about uptrend structure, we need to sweep this high, 562. So if we want to see some uptrend structure, we need to build something like this one. This is a break of structure. Video about a structure, highly recommend you find on the channel. Here, ADZ direction, highly recommend you use the dashboard, just a fresh new indicator, all in one. You know, you can track all data, choose the time frame in its settings for all the 6 indicators, and track the data on a small screen. So take a look. Now it's accumulation. Last time accumulation was here at 567, and we formed the pure divergence. So this one is bullish divergence. 567, and we dropped to 70 cents. 70, I guess. 74. Accumulation also from the whales was here. That's why, let's say if the average entry, I mean the big guys, $4, definitely they will withdraw initial deposit, and we will see some seller pressure, and after 100%, they're 100% at yearly open test. Market smooth, we're in capitulation. That's why here, all this time period, it was a logical exit zones. Now it's logical accumulation. What will happen next, guys, with this token? Nobody knows. Nobody knows. This is still a free on a monthly. This is what I don't like. Daily, it's capitulation in disbelief. It's bullish. Bullish, money power, money in, 1, 2, 3, 4 days in a row, money in Aptos. It's a good one, bullish one. Weekly, bullish. It's also money in was last week, previous one, at $1.97. Pretty good one. So once again, if their entry, for example, $2 at $4, you will see the some seller pressure. Monthly, also some money in was here in April, May. That's why, of course, the way even the big guys can make a mistake, right? But if the average entry is 389, 452, I guess a yearly open 100% profit, it will be some seller pressure in the zone of fixation profit. That's why be ready to fix some profit, guys, at that levels. At least withdraw initial deposit. Daily sell, fun fact, but we saw the sell signal 6 days before the Donald Trump dump. Of course, the indicators can't predict some political stuff, but it was so obvious. Time to sell. Take profit. Take a look. The take profit. This one, money back. Not all the time trigger it on some flash crash. No, based on some algorithm, the take profit can be here. So we need to close all short position. After that, buy, rejection, drop, buy again. So you could trade it. And 12 time frame, sell, drop, buy, buy, recommendation, close position, buy was yesterday. Now nothing. But guys, once again, if you trade, you have to adjust the indicators into your trading strategy, not blindly open the trades and especially without a stop losses. So targets, guys, I showed you the logic. I explained to you what I'm waiting for, and I'm gonna add alerts to take profit, a special take profit indicator, and track it on the weekly time frame. Still no take profit data signal from the sell on the weekly. The main one was in April 24. Guys, I hope you liked this video. Write please in a comment what you think about Aptos. If you'd like to trade with my custom indicator, what I showed in this video, just write in the DM. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.